So what exactly is ready to wear? Ready to wear refers to clothes that are mass produced in standard sizes like small, medium, large, or etc. These garments are not made to fit a specific individual, unlike custom made or haute couture clothing. Instead, they are designed using average body measurements so they can fit most people without the need for tailoring. For example, when you go to a mall and see the rows of clothes and on hangers in a different sizes, these are ready to wear. They are made in factories in large quantities so brands can supply stores quickly. Why is it popular? One big reason is affordability. Because these clothes are produced in bulks, the cost per item is much lower compared to handmade or custom garments. This means that the prices are more accessible for general public. You don't have to be rich or a celebrity to look stylish. Another reason is accessibility. You don't need to wait weeks for someone to make your outfit. Ready to wear is already available in store or online, ready for you to try and buy. What is it used for? Ready to wear clothes are usually designed for a daily use or casual wear. They follow the cultural trends of the fashion season, but are made to be practical and comfortable for everyday life. So whether you're dressing for school, work, or a weekend hangout, you must likely to be wearing ready-to-wear pieces.
Who produces ready-to-wear clothing? You might think it's just budget brands, but actually many big fashion houses like Chanel, Dior, or Burberry also have their ready-to-wear collections. These are separate from their haute couture lines, but still carry the unique styles and branding. On the other hand, you also have high street and high fashion brands like Zara, H&M, and Uniqlo that specialize in affordable and trendy ready-to-wear clothing for everyday consumers. So how fast can you get it? One of the best parts of ready-to-wear is its immediate availability. As soon as the designs are released, they're quickly manufactured and distributed to stores and websites. This allows people to stay updated with trends without waiting months like you would with made-to-order pieces.
On the couture. So what is couture? One of the kind and costume fitted its face and mood to measure for a particular client's body and preference. So what is the body preference? So in Tagalog, mo na siya ang ginatawag na pasadyang sukat or mga damit na ginagawang sukat para sa individual na mga kliyente batay sa kanilang katawan at kagustuhan. So mo na siya ang costume fitted. So the second is handcrafted by skilled artisan involving extensive hand stitching, integrate embroidery, beading, and other elaborate details. So in Tagalog, mo na siya ang ginatawag na gawa ng kamay. Kumbaga sa pagtay kamot lang ang gigamit. So ano siya ang mga bihisang mga paggagawa ng maingat na gumawa ng bawat piraso ng may atensyon sa detalye. So mo to siya. So and the third is exceptional quality and exclusivity. Often they using the finest materials, skills, licensed gold third, or making its face a unique work of art. So mo ni siya. So mo ni siya ang itawag na materialis na laho mo na siyang itawag na mga mataas na kalidad na tela ang ginagamit nila nga materials tulad ng soda at gintong sinulid ay madalas na ginagamit. So and overall, so muna siya. And overall, And overall is mo na siyang each face is a unique, exclusive work of art that reflect the client's individuality and style.
A small scale or limited editions, few or even only a single pieces are made per design, while high-profile luxury appeal is reserved for a special occasion such as red carpets, weddings, or gala events, reflecting prestige and ancestry and traditions. While produced by renowned couture houses such as Christian Dior, Chanel, Giambattista Valli, or Elie Saab.
In summary, both ready-to-wear and couture play significant roles in the fashion industry. Ready-to-wear offers style and functionality to the masses, while couture showcases the artistry and craftsmanship of fashion design, whether one prefers the accessibility of ready-to-wear or the exclusivity of couture. In short, ready-to-wear is practical and accessible, while couture is exclusive and artistic.